At LawMind, we believe that high-quality work experience is an important stepping stone to studying law. When applying to law school, it shows admissions tutors that you're committed to law and is a chance for you to showcase your skills. In short, it sets you apart from the competition. LawMind's Law Work Experience programme is aimed at 15 to 24-year-olds and takes place in London. It is run by legal professionals, including solicitors and barristers, and provides hands-on, interactive sessions. Throughout the programme, you'll see what life's like at a top London law firm. You'll shadow prestigious lawyers and experience life as a London City lawyer. You will act as a lawyer in a mock criminal court case. You'll review police disclosures, act out an application for bail, make closing speeches, and cross-examine witnesses. You will also experience real-life court cases at the Royal Court of Justice. Listen to hearings and learn how court documents have changed over the ages. Our law work experience is designed to make you stand out from the competition. We also provide support with university applications, the LNAT, and interview. At the end of the programme, you'll also receive a certificate of completion to use in your UCAS application. Travelling from afar, 40% of our students travel from all over the world, including China, Hong Kong, UAE and India. That's why we also offer accommodation and food. You will stay in a central location with round-the-clock security, and our team of DBS checked leaders will be on hand to support you 24/7. So why not kickstart your journey to your dream job and visit us today to see how we can help.